Hey, it's Martin Salinas, your South Florida real estate agent, and today we find ourselves in the beautiful city of Pembroke Pines, Florida, here at the brand new construction community called Merrick Square. Right behind me, we have the Bonnet Model, which is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with 1-car garage, and it's 1,738 square feet. This is a gorgeous home, 2-story townhouse. You're gonna love it. Let's go take a look. After watching this video, if you want to come and take a look in person and tour these model homes, ask yourself this question. Are you working with a real estate agent to help protect your interests? The developers here, they have their own in-house agents who are there to represent and to protect their own interests. So it's really important that you have someone on your team. We can help guide you from A to Z throughout the entire process. We can help ask the right questions, which is very, very important. We can help you with some extra incentives that you may not know are available. And we can also look over the contract to make sure that you are covered. So consider this like a concierge home buying experience and service that is no cost to you. Enjoy the tour.
Merrick Square is a new townhouse community in Pembroke Pines. Available units range in price from $636,000 to $709,000. Merrick Square unit sizes range from 1,738 square feet to 1,962 square feet. You have 4 floor plans ranging from 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bathrooms, and a 1-car garage. Features include granite countertops, kitchen island waterfalls, subway tile backsplash in the kitchen, PVC fenced yards, frameless shower doors, professionally designed landscaping, paver driveways, entry walkway and patio or lanai, Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, small crown molding above kitchen cabinets, impact-resistant glass windows and sliding glass doors, tile flooring in all first floor living areas, and the home is connected with a smart home system and so much more. Amenities include a gated community, a clubhouse, a swimming pool, fitness center, and a tot lot. Merrick Square is within close proximity to supermarkets, restaurants, I-75, US 27, CB Smith Park, Everglades Holiday Park, the Fort Lauderdale International Airport, Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, Memorial West Hospital, Broward Mall, the shops at Pembroke Gardens, Pembroke Lakes Mall, Hollywood Beach, Chapel Trail Nature Preserve, Cinemark Paradise 24. This area is a perfect place to call home.
I hope you guys liked that video. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and comment on the channel if you got any value from this video and if you enjoyed it. And of course, you want to come take a look at it in person, give me a call, email me, and we'll set that right up for you. Take care and see you on the next one.